Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about Ash vs Bea upcoming third rematch. Since I had already discussed about upcoming episodes title, summary, and their respective release date, so if you guys wants to know about that, then you can check out my this video, link in the I button. And now in this video I'm first going to break down episode 85 preview and will discuss everything we know so far about this match. Along with I will also going to make a prediction that who is going to win this third rematch. But before that, I want you guys to like the video as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me first break down episode 85 preview. So the preview start with Ash and Go reaching the battle stadium where they met Bea and her Pokemons like Graplock and Hitmontop. Then in the next scene we saw Ash equipped with his Mega Gloves, heading towards the battlefield. After that we saw Bea ordering her Graplock to attack with Liquidation. And then frame just changed and we saw Pikachu fall to the ground. And also we could clearly notice in this frame that Graplock is stuck with Pikachu Electro Web. Although then we saw Lucario was battling with Bea Holucha and then just frame change and we saw Lucario also battling against Bea Machamp in an intense physical way. So now it surely seems that this third match between Ash and Bea is going to contain a lot of physical move pool and we will also see special attack from Pikachu and Graplock. However, in the background we could clearly notice crowd, means just like Ash vs Wagner match, this match is also going to be held in front of crowd. Since I do remember that I had told you guys previously that from Hyperclass every match will happen in front of crowd. And also from Hyperclass, trainers will not choose that from whom they have to battle, but the computer system will choose who will battle whom. Whatever, this match is going to be a 3-on-3 battle. In which from Bea side, we will see her Graplock, Holucha and her Machamp. And from Ash side, we will see his Pikachu and Lucario. However, Ash's third Pokemon is still not confirmed, but the rumor are saying the name of Surfetch. Since some of you could ask me that why not Gengar, Dragonite or Dracovish could be his third Pokemon. So Gengar do have some possibility that he could be in this match. But to be honest, not so much, as we all know already that this match last battle is going to be between Mega Lucario and Gigantamax Machamp. So Gengar possibility decrease so much that he could Gigantamax in this match or he could even be in this match. Now next about Dragonite, so in my opinion he have a zero possibility to be in this battle. As you can think it by yourself, that if Dragonite will be in this match, then he could easily take down V2 Pokemon alone. Which could make this battle a little one-sided, and also this match is going to be a more physical move pool, or you can say we will see more fighting type moves in this match. So Dragonite definitely have a almost zero possibility to be in this match. Now at last we have Dracovish, so he also have a little possibility, but again not so much. That means currently Surfetch have the highest possibility to be in this match. Also I think he should be in this battle, because he should get a chance to take his revenge against Bea Holucha. So in my opinion Ash will use Pikachu, Surfetch and Lucario in this awesome battle. In which Pikachu is most probably going to take down Graplock and Surfetch will battle against Holucha and at last we will see Mega Lucario vs Gigantamax Machamp match. However, I think you guys do remember that Ash vs Bea is going to be shown in a two-parter episode. In which two battles conclusion is going to held in episode 85 and episode 86 is going to be fully dedicated for Mega Lucario and Gigantamax Machamp match. Since we had seen Ash to Mega evolve his Lucario at the end of episode 85 preview. So maybe episode 85 is going to be end with Ash Mega evolving his Lucario and then the battle between them will start in episode 86. Now let me discuss that who will win this third rematch. So we all know that this match conclusion is going to happen with Mega Lucario and Gigantamax Machamp match in episode 86. And we don't have to forget that it's going to be Ash's first time to use Mega Evolution. So to be honest with the current scenario, we have 60% chances that she will win this match, while Ash have 40% chances to win. However, if you guys ask me, then I will go with the unpredictable 40% chance that Ash will end this match by winning it. As previously director of the series had said, that with time Ash is going to become more unbeatable. That makes me think that maybe we have greater chances to win as per the situation, but still we will see that Ash will somehow manage to win this battle. In simple way I mean, that to show Ash becoming unbeatable, they could show us that Ash defeat a Gigantamax Pokemon with his newly Mega evolved Pokemon. Although whatever will happen, this is only my prediction, I'm not making any confirmation for anything. And now that's all for this video, I hope you guys had enjoyed it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts about this awesome upcoming battle. Now at last as always, you guys can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.